sunlight white or colored? As we all know that sun is the major source of light. But what is the color of the sunlight? We see the rainbow in the sky consisting of different colors that usually appears after the rains when the sunlight is low. Also, the sky appears orange or red during sunset. So is sunlight colorful. Let us learn this in detail and see what is the actual color of sunlight. White light is called as white because it consists of 7 colors. The sunlight splits into 7 colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, orange and red. We usually call it as Vibgyor. When we mix all these colors, we just get one light, which is the white light. Let us carry out a small activity to show that sunlight has 7 different colors. With the help of a narrow beam of light, a glass prism, and a white wall, it is possible to produce the band of 7 colors using white light. Keep this arrangement near the window. Place the glass prism in such a manner that the sunlight through the window falls on one side of the prism and then on the white wall. You can see that light reflected on the wall has several colors. The prism splits the white light into 7 different colors. This splitting of white light into many colors is called as a dispersion of light. As you can see in the figure, the white light passes through the prism and then you can see the white light has splitted into 7 different colors. The bending of light you can see in the figure. Red is the topmost at the topmost part and the lowermost is the violet color. This shows that sunlight consists of several colors. Sometimes in the rainbow you may not see all the 7 colors. This is because of the colors overlap each other. The degree of bending of the light's path depends on the angle that the incident beam of light makes with the surface and on the ratio between the refractive indices of the two media and results in splitting all the 7 colors present in white light. This is said to be as Snell's law. Spectrum. It is always not necessary that source of light should always be white to get a spectrum. The composite light, which contains a range of 3 to 4 colors, also produces a band of 3 to 4 colors. A glowing 40-watt tungsten filament bulb does not produce pure white light. It is a source of composite light and will also produce a spectrum, but the spectrum may not be the same as the spectrum of white light. The type of spectrum depends upon the nature of the source of light. Dispersion of light in daily life. Examples of dispersion in our daily life. After the rains, we see the rainbow in the sky, which is due to the dispersion of sunlight. During rainy days, when the roads are wet and you drive the car or ride a bike, sometimes the water spills on the road. When the petrol mixes with the water, we can see different colors. When sunlight passes through the prism, the light splits into different colors. Dispersion of colors in soap bubbles. Dispersion of colors on CDs. Look at the figure of human eye. You can see the cornea, the various parts of the eye, that is cornea, lens, iris, ciliary muscle, retina and optic nerve. The eye is a natural optical instrument that forms an image of objects on a screen called the retina. This enables us to see to the objects. The front part of eye is called cornea and is made up of a transparent material. Behind the cornea is the iris, the colored part of the eye. In the middle of the iris is a hole called the pupil. It appears black because no light is reflected from it. The iris adjusts the amount of light entering the eye through pupil. Behind the iris is a convex lens. The eye lens is held in position by a pair of muscles called ciliary muscles. The lens forms an image of an object on the retina, which is at the back of the eye. The retina is covered by a large number of nerve cells, sensitive to light, which carry the impression to the brain by means of optic nerve. There are two kinds of nerve cells on retina: cones that sense color and are sensitive to bright light, rods which are sensitive to dim light. Braille. The Braille system is a method of writing for the blind. It uses six raised dots. The positions of different dots represent the different letters of the alphabet. Visually challenged people can read them by feeling them with their fingers. The method was developed by Louis Braille of Paris. Here in this way the arrangement of the dots is done and denoted by the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G till W or till Z, and then the numbers are also with the help of the six dots pattern, and it is denoted as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. How to take care of our eyes? A diet rich in vitamin A, selenium and vitamin C and E help to maintain good eyesight and to prevent to delay development of cataract. Do not read in very dim or very bright light. Avoid reading in a moving vehicle. Avoid watching TV or working on a computer for long sessions.